Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the laptop. Remove the battery and wait 60 seconds so residual charge dissipates. Once done, ground yourself with a wrist strap or frequent chassis contact because static kills components. Now flip the machine, remove the 3/8 access screws, and pry the panel. Inside, identify the discrete VGA card or MXM module, note ribbon cables and the heat pipe route. Keep screws organized, and make a quick photo of layout for reassembly reference. You next disconnect fan and display ribbons, labeling them so reconnection is painless. Then loosen heatsink screws in the star pattern to avoid warping. Let the assembly cool a moment and lift the heatsink straight up. Don't pry sideways. Clean old thermal paste with isopropyl 90% or higher and lint-free wipes, and remove the GPU retention screws. Once free, slide the MXM module or Sodom-style VGA connector out at a slight angle and set the card on an anti-static mat for inspection. You install the replacement by seating it at the same angle, tightening retention screws, and applying 0.5 to 0 gram of thermal paste to the GPU die. Refit the heatsink and torque screws evenly, reconnect fan and display ribbons, and replace the access panel and battery. Boot into BIOS to confirm device recognition, then install the correct driver. If the laptop shows no display or fans spin, but no post, reseat the card and check power cable and display connector continuity. This step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.